Here we come to a massive sized elevator at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in the newer wing in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. Technically this is staff only, but the public is also allowed to ride as well. This thing is huge. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness, this thing's big. 4. What a lovely sounding motor. My gosh, look at this. This is humongous. These floors are locked. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. This is a big elevator. One of the biggest elevator I've ever been on. Wow, look at this thing. Look at this, guys. This is huge. Oh, wow, look at this. I could literally fit the whole thing in the frame in 4K mode. Wow, this thing is big. All right, here's a full view in 4K mode. Let's ride, here we go. Guess no one's going up. Epic. That didn't sound good. Let's see if we can make it all the way up without stopping. before we go back down, I want to get a full count. Look how wide these doors are. Look at this thing. Gosh, look at this, y'all. This thing is huge. All right, let's go back down to one, and I don't want to hold this thing much longer. This is humongous. See, that door opens the staff area, which is we're not going to go there. I mean, look at this, guys. I don't even have a word to describe. This is one of the biggest elevator, especially in North Carolina, especially here in Raleigh. This is one of the biggest elevator I've ever seen before. I've seen a big size freight elevator that is at least smaller than this. I mean, if it made like a vertical door, that would be even better. My gosh, is this thing huge. Okay, we don't need that language. There it goes, and that's it.